Hey, Corn and John, it's Devin Norton again. Thank you guys so much for talking to me on the phone earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you guys can fix right away, really quickly and easily, to start bringing in customers immediately. I know you're probably wondering why the heck I'd make this video for you, and it's really simple. I just found out a little while ago there's a lot of HVAC techs out there who are spending all their time, running the business, taking care of their customers, and they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And so I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners out there who end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just do all this stuff for me. If you want to do this stuff yourself or if you want me to help you, either way is okay. I just asked for some feedback at the end of the video to let me know if you thought this was helpful information. But I don't want to waste any more of your time. I'll jump right into it. I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. Now, your website is absolutely gorgeous. I love the photo, the parallax scrolling photo here with the dog. It really gives you like a nice, trusting, warm feeling right when you hit your website. Excuse me. It's a really clean website. You've got some trust badges here and stuff like that. It's a beautiful looking website. Unfortunately, Google doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they care about is how useful you are to their customers. And the most useful website typically has the most content on it. Content is just whatever you can read as well as whatever your images are saved as. And the average website on the home page of Google or on the front page of Google right now has about 2,000 words. If I look at your content, it looks like you probably have about 500 words on here, so you definitely have some room for improvement. And if you look at your main competitor, it's these guys right here, AC Express. You can see right away they have a lot more content on their page, right? Now, they're still not at that 2,000, 2,500 word mark, so by getting yourself there, it's really going to put you in a good position to blow them out of the water. You also want to have keywords within your content, and a keyword is just what somebody searches into Google to find your business. So I'm looking at your website right now, what you're getting found for. You're getting found for your name a lot, but like the real keywords you want to target is this one. See, AC Repair Cedar Park, 80 people a month search for that alone. So if you were number 1, you can imagine how much business you'd get. And that's just from one keyword being in your text. You're on the 7th page. Let me see if you even have that on there. AC Repair. You don't even have the word AC Repair on your homepage. So it's one of the reasons you're not being found for that. Make sure you have that keyword on your homepage. Okay. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other websites linking to you. Keep in mind, though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if they see other HVAC companies linking to you versus if like Pizza Hut was linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool you use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. Just gives you a lot of really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. You don't have to pay for this. There's free tools out there. But just to let you know what it shows me, it shows you guys have been around for a long time, at least since December of 13. And you currently have 10 websites linking to you, which is a great spot to start. If you do want to beat AC Express, these guys only have 38 websites linking to them. That's a difference of 28 websites. I wouldn't say just go get 28 and match them. I'd say blow them out of the water and go get like 40, 50. The best way to do that is to copy them. If you go see what websites they have linking to them, go visit these sites, click the create an account button, and either put the link in your profile or click the contact us button and get those links built back to you. Because once you beat these guys with content and you beat them with these referring domains, that's how you take the top spot for organic. There's 3 places you can show up on Google. You can show up organically, you can show up in the ads, which just costs a lot of money, and sometimes it doesn't really work the best. You really need a lot of skill for it. But the last place to show up, and actually the best place to show up, is right here in the Google Map Pack or the Google My Business section. You're probably asking, Devin, how the heck do I get there? I'm glad you asked. It's really simple. All you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And if you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp right here, or like Yellow Pages, White Pages, etc., etc. I would recommend figuring out how many directories Cedar Park is listed in. Go list yourself in those same ones and then add a bunch on top. So if they were in like 150 directories, you should be putting yourself in like 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you. I try to keep this short and sweet. I hope you found this helpful. As just a very quick recap, you need about 2,000 to 2,500 words on this front page. Make sure you have the proper content or the proper keywords inside that content. You're going to also make sure that you have more websites linking to you. I'd recommend getting a total of like 40 to 50 to blow these guys out of the water, and I would just copy them. And then if you want to take this map pack spot, just put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And by following these 3 tips, you will be number 1 across Google. So you're probably wondering, what now? Well, you have two options. You can either one, take this information, you can apply it yourself, and that is totally okay with me. I am glad to see other business owners thrive. I ask you to send me back like a sentence of feedback to let me know if you thought this information was valuable. If you want to just continue running your business, you do want more leads coming in, but you don't want to do the marketing work, just give me a call. I'll give you like a 10-minute little chat to figure out what your goals are and see if I even can help you. And if I can, I'll put you in the right direction. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. Bye.